Today we're going to make this cracker treat. It's whipped cream and peanut butter. Super easy to make. All you need are 3 ingredients. You need some Cool Whip topping. You need some graham crackers. I like the cinnamon graham crackers, but you could also use just the regular ones, or there's the chocolate ones as well. And I like to use the smooth, creamy peanut butter. I really like this Signature brand. If you've tried different kinds of peanut butter, you know that it's either too oily or too dry. This one is really perfect, so I like it. I got this one at Safeway. So yeah, that's great peanut butter to use. So I've cut up 1 bag of graham crackers. I just used a knife to go ahead and cut them in half. All right, I went ahead and stacked my graham crackers, and now I'm flipping them over. And the reason is I'm going to use the side that does not have the cinnamon on it. I'm going to put my peanut butter on there. Now that's probably a little bit too much, but I can take it off. However much you want to put on there is fine. You just don't want it to overpower the whipped cream, so not too much. All right, let me go ahead and do 1 more here. Get a couple going. Okay, and just this is definitely a thinner layer of peanut butter. So again, however much you like to put on there is fine. Perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and do the whipped cream. All right, so I've got my whipped cream. I'm gonna go ahead and put some whipped cream on the other side of the cracker. Again, however much you like to put on there is perfect. Stack it. Great, and 1 more. And go ahead and put some whipped cream on there and a little bit more. All right, I think that's good enough, and go ahead and stack it. Okay, there's 2, so you can see how easy that is to make those crackers. Okay, I made up a whole bag of the crackers and I stuck them in the freezer so that they could freeze up a little bit for about 2 hours. I could put them in there longer, but 2 hours is fine. Ready to eat them, perfect. You can see nice and creamy. Again, if you wanted more whipped cream or more peanut butter, you could always do that. All right, so let's go ahead and indulge. Got my cracker and I'm ready to chomp down. All right, so I went ahead and put my crackers in a freezer bag. I'm just going to go ahead and store them in the freezer. That way when I want one, I can just go ahead and pull one out rather than sitting here and eating the whole bag. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.